Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I got the AdSense approval mail, and I will share with you the exact workflow how I received the approval mail. So this is the confirmation mail. This come from Google, and now go to visit my portfolio website, mejba.me, and show here the ads from Google, and also the graph is starting the earning from this AdSense, and this is interesting things I share with you. uh, First of all, I built my portfolio website, stunning website, make it stunning and modern, and just like a vibe design. And I built my portfolio website using the by vibe coding. I built my portfolio website using the Claude Code and Claude skill and other necessary uh, AI tools. And this is mostly used. I use my own structure prompt when I develop my portfolio website. So uh, very interesting another things. My portfolio is blog post is fully generated from AI generated content. I use all content from the generate from AI generated. I For this post content I used my own utilize my own AI tools. Um, I use my own the digital employee called Aria. This is actually most of post content generate from my AI agent team member called Aria, and I use my another tools for my portfolio blog site, Tube to blog. This is my blog to tube SaaS application. This helps to provide generate to high quality post content, and this is the scenario. And kindly leave me comment if you any query in comment section. And thanks for watching. If you have found this helpful, please like and share it, and subscribe more software and AI related tips. uh, Thanks for watching.